Hi.
Good morning everyone. This is Parimita from class 9B. So, today I'm going to talk about the topic that is third law. And that is action and reaction. Okay. All of you shut your mouth and let's start. Okay. This is a ball, right? I'll hit it like that. It will hit
Oh,
my
yeah,
face.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It will hit my face.
Hey.
Okay. Again I'll hit it harder. It will again hit me. Alright? So the force I'm applying to the ball, it's repelling and applying the same force to me. Is that clear everyone? Yes. I'm applying this much force.
Oi.
It's again coming back with the force, right? So this is the magic of the third law, that is action and reaction. Every action has its equal reaction but in opposite directions. So that's it for third law. So basically third law is used in every part of our life, okay? You're walking because of third law. So suppose in a chair I'm sitting, okay? So the action force is letting us to sit and the same reaction. Okay? So this is a chair, right? I'm sitting on it, very comfortable. So the force applied by me is the action force, but the chair is not letting me like fall apart. Like I can't like after sitting here, I'm not falling down, right? The reaction force is not letting me fall through it. So this is the magic of the third law. So a bird flipping its wings, this is the action force and this is the reaction force in the air. So that's it about the third law.
Very good. Nice explanation. Voice, एकदम rhythm. Nice. Good. Yes. Any question, Harry?
Without the third law, we can move an object or not?
Hey, silent.
What?
Without the third law, we can move an object or not?
Without the third law. Without the third law, I don't think so you can move an object.
Why?
That is action and reaction, because without any action, how can a object like move? The reaction should also happen, right? So action and reaction.
Next question. Some of your friends will not ask.
I don't have any questions.
Yes, Miss. Always Vaishali. I'm looking for your creative questions.
So you know that we work with the help of third law. How do we work? How the action takes place. Action and reaction in our daily life while walking. Okay, so the force that is we are very familiar to gravitational force, right? Because without it we can't walk like that. So with the help of the gravitational force and also the friction, we all can walk. With the help of gravitational force we can walk easily. But I think with the help of gravitational force, no, we can also walk. Friction.
Now, gravity always pull you downward, right? But the question is that how do we walk with third law? How does actually show it physically that how third law make us walk?
Like when, how do they say? It's very common, right? When you walk, you have to put the leg like this, right? So every action is has its reaction. So
You are putting some force on the ground.
yes, the ground is.
Yeah, let us say.
The ground is backwards the ground. So ground will move upwards. Why do we Why do we?
Yeah. Question is well. So that we are putting force in the jump, action and reaction. But our question is that how do you walk? Like if you put a force on the ground, good question. How it can make us move in like horizontal? Instead we have to move like vertical, right? If you are moving vertical, if you putting action, that means you have to go like that, na? But the question is that how do you walk like moving in a horizontal path?
Sir, because when we apply the force backward,
Yeah, backward.
then we
Okay, I am watching just you show.
Yes. So you are putting the force backward and then putting it again ahead, and this is the way we can walk like.
One, almost right, but you have not got one.
Can I show? So when we are walking, we are putting this leg. When we are force, we are putting this leg. Okay. So the ground is forward, so that's why we can walk. But with the help of gravity, we can stand up strong.
There is one more thing, component force within plus 11. Mainly that component force is helping us. Super actually. Good. One mark, 1 point. One more question I like to ask to her. What is it? I give one time. Or whatever. No, I just give this one. Give one water bottle. So last. An example. Suppose I am applying force this side. I am not applying force like that. Got a question? I am applying force horizontal side, but the object is being pulled vertically. Where goes the action direction? Okay, now another case. For example, it is lying in the. ना ये तो टर्न है ना, ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है ना, तो ये भी फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स को ओवरकम कर रहे हैं है ना, it's coming ना. But thing is that while it is a pulley, in that case, what make it move like forward, upward? When I am pulling, what make it pull upward? What force is it? Gravitational force will make it pull downward, right?
It's because you're pulling the force is more than the exerts.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's fine. This question. Another question. Okay, I like to ask. Suppose example, our rear is a horse. We don't feel that. Nah. As you already told me that action has got opposite equal direction. Nah. So if I suppose horse, one of horse. So suppose I am, for example, he is a card. I am the horse. Now, okay. I am the horse. He is a card. So when a horse pull a card, we just I am the horse. He is a card. So when horse is pulling the card, then why not the card is pulling the horse? Because action reaction. अगर रस्सी को हम खींच रहे हैं तो रस्सी को हमें खींचना चाहिए था. What make me move? What make the card move?
Because the force is greater than the
What force?
card's force.
So you told that action reaction force. Every action,
Sir, because the mass of like
I apply the action to the card. Right. Thela also should pull me, right?
Good.
जैसे कि as I said, if I punch, it is also punch. If I pull, it is a pull. So when a horse pulls the card also pull the horse, right? This question is there in your book also. This is there.
so
They're almost right. They're close. They're almost close.
Sir, wait one minute.
Sir, because the force you are applying to the card is more than the card moving forward. This card can apply any force to pull you
What?
back.
Obviously, there is something right which is making the card stop. We need some force to move the card also. So what we need to overcome? Because the inertia. Because card is in rest. Card has got an inertia. Card also have some some inertia and rest, right? So to move it, for example, this is the a bench with me in the classroom. I am pulling with the force of 2 Newton. 2 Newton को ये balance कर पा रहा है. It will not move. I am applying 3 Newton. तभी भी ये नहीं हिल पा रहा है. For example, it has 5 Newton. The inertia, the force that he has is 5 Newton. To move it, how much force I need to apply to move it?
More than 5 Newton.
More than 5. More than 5 only make it unbalanced.
Yes.
Unbalanced force. 1 Newton balance, 2 Newton balance, 3 Newton balance. Until and unless I don't cross 5 Newton or 5 Newton or 5 Joule, it will not move. So to overcome, I need to apply more than 5 Newton. Then only it will move. It overcome the like inertia, state of inertia of the object. You got the question? Fine, very good. This is for knowledge I am sharing with you. I will not get my point for that, but you have to ask. Then only you can get.
Surface chocolate.
Any question?
Do action and reaction force cancel each other out? Action and reaction force cancel each other out.
Each other out. One.
Can you elaborate your question? Like, can you explain me your question? Means the action and reaction force, do they cancel? They can cancel each other out or not?
Can become 0 or not?
Zero.
Action reaction can become 0 or not?
Hug together.
Yes. Why?
No field why? Yes, no why?
Good.
Action reaction.
No.
It's a very good question.
Yeah. Because like every action has its reaction, right? So when we are like
Good, a point for her. 2 points. Can you answer the 2 points?
action and reaction are two equal force. They force in action and reaction are two equal force in opposite direction.
Okay.
They act on different bodies. That's why they do not cancel each other out.
They cannot?
Cancel each other out.
They cannot cancel each other. Let me see the answer. I should say, it can balance in some case and it cannot balance in some other case. For example, you pull me with 5 Newton, I am also pulling us 5 Newton. Are we moving to any other side? So my action equal to reaction, so the action reaction can cancel out. But another case, as the ball has he referred. Now example, the ball if I like throw it in the wall, right? So wall is not moving, but the ball is moving. So here action and reaction is not cancelling each other. That's the point. So when there's two body, different bodies, they cannot cancel out. But when there's one body, they can cancel out. This is the point. Clear? Very good question. Next. One point. Next question. Sumitra na? Archana. Any question? So you have a question, then why have to push you for asking question?
I also have doubt in that.
No problem. I am there to clear up. Huh?
Like, suppose you have a tennis ball, you throw it in the ground, it will bounce, right? It will bounce and again it will hit. It will hit the ground. Yes. So again, if that's ball, if you hit it on a smooth surface or a soft surface like cushion or a mattress,
Nice.
it will
Reply for
not
her. Nice question. So you can ask question. I am there, na? So when you ask question, different question, it's also opportunity for me, right? To explain the question better. So very good. So you got the question. When you bounce it like in a floor, it will bounce very nicely. Same cricket ball. Now if you bounce in the ground, it will bounce less. If you bounce in the sand full of place, it will bounce very less. Not even bounce also. Right? It will not even reach 1 foot of height also. Right? What about the reaction for different cases? Nice question.
in smooth surface, it bounces
In hard surface, it will bounce more.
Those who are not
In
given
playground,
back
it will
your
bounce
badges in the
less.
office,
If
please
it's
bring and
sand,
give.
if it is sand,
Class
then it will not bounce
captains,
at all. Means not
those
bounce.
who are not
Bounce
given
less.
your badges in the office,
But we are applying the same equal force in
Monday's
three sets.
exam.
In 3 cases, you are applying 3 equal similar force, but the reaction is different in different cases. Are you getting the question? Very nice question. Chess. I will give one hint to you. Shall I give one hint? Hint is that when I punch a wall, I will get more pain. But when I punch you, the same force, I will get less pain. If you give the answer, then you will give the answer.
So because this smooth surface is like it's thin, right? It
It's
doesn't
not about
bend.
smooth surface, it's about soft and hard surface.
So it bounces more in the soft one.
No, it bounces more in hard surface.
Hard surface. Because when you hit it in the hard surface, then the opposite force will be more. I guess that's why the ball will bounce.
But
more.
you said equivalent hard law, acceleration equal.
Yes.
So why not bouncing equally in the case of sand? How's the question? Do you like it, the question? Right? Another thing about who can like to answer? Come. I like it. Come.
So like when we hit a hard object like the wall, so the particles are packed together. So when we hit that, it will give us equal force.
Those who are in the ground, please go to the
But here,
classes.
below, the material which is made of soft material, so it will like
Those who are in the ground,
this
please
is a
move.
soft pillow.
What is
So
your
if I
classroom?
show something or if I give something, punch it, then due to the soft material which is made up of, like when we punch it like this, it will go inside it. So it will take time due to
See,
which.
try tricks then one play for her also. I will have one to explain better. Now what happened in two cases? When we punch the wall, as we know that the intermolecular force of attraction is more in this case. It's more rigid. So rigid substance will give more immediate reaction. It will give immediate
I
reaction.
am seeing some students are in the
But
ground.
when
Please
it
go
punch
to
a
your
soft body, spongy body. So when I punch here, so what happened? The body also wanted to give the third reaction also. But the till time it gave reaction, I remove my hand. Not right? Till the time the body
To
wanted
the
to
attention
reply,
of
I remove my
all
hand.
teachers and students.
And so I do not feel pain in the
Kindly
face.
pay
And
attention
there's another way also.
tomorrow,
Like when I punch
Saturday.
the pillow, I punch
There
it.
will be no
Most of
class.
the energy, most of third law is
It's
used
a
after
study
speech.
leave.
और थर्ड लो क्या हो दबने में
Make
चला
use of time that is given to
पिलो दब
you
गया ना
to
उसमें ज्यादा
prepare yourself well for the exams.
That is why when we
Saturday and
long jump, high
Sunday
jump,
and on
the sand will
Monday
soften.
we begin the
Why?
exam
So the reaction force will be less.
at the normal time.
That is why you see the
8:15,
jam in long jump, high
quarter past
jump.
8,
What happened?
You
It
will
is
come
softened, right?
to the
Why?
school for
So
the
when it
assembly
jump,
and at
the sand needs
8:30
time to give reaction.
quarter
That's right.
8:30 you will begin your first exam.
দিয়ে ফুটকে ভালে ভিডিও
Kindly bring your admit card along with you for the exam.
আজ দেখে বসে তুমি একদম সাড়ে তলে তলে খাবলে বলে দেখা বলে বলে বুঝতে পার
Send your admit card. They will be given
पैसा चाहिए क्या चाहिए क्या
at
चाहिए
the assembly. I have already shared in different WhatsApp group. There is a possibility of paying your school fees using school
Next question.
mobile app. So you can deposit the money from anywhere and on the following day you can collect in this case admit card or any clarifications on the
Do
following
distance
day.
can play any role in the
If you pay the fees through the mobile app,
Distance can
there
play any role
will
in
instantly you will receive a receipt for the same from the mobile or the computer that you are using to
Basically,
pay
throwing a
for
logistics plays a role in the
Prepare yourself well for the exams. I
Actually,
like to see the marks improving, particularly those students who had failed in a number of subjects. I honestly request you to study hard so that no red marks are seen on your progress report.
Yes, students, please stand for the prayer. Join your hands. All the students are requested to stand for prayer. Join your hands. We give you thanks, Almighty God,